We're gonna check this baby out, see what it looks like. Let's take a look at this thing. We have the DEWALT 10-gallon stainless steel shop vac. Look at this thing. This is for picking up water or dust. It does it all. Garbage. We got an on-off switch on the top right there, right? Not too loud at all. I like that. How long is that hose? That's about a 6-7 foot hose on there. That's got to be a 7-foot hose.
Maybe 8 or 10. Can
you pull the hose attached? So how is it? Yep, just clips on and off right there. So it just slides on and off. Nothing's to turn. Okay. Got that on the back of that. What is that? They got a handle on the top.
On the back of it, you can connect it to blow instead of suck.
Comes with a set of instructions with it. You get all kinds of attachments that come with it. We got this hose attachment for extending it. We have another. Yep. We have another one, another extension here. It's basically the same thing. You can make it really super long if you want.
And then you use that to put it in vacuum water off the floor.
Oh, hold on, let me display it. Yep. So we got that for vacuuming water.
Yeah.
We have a smaller version of that right there. Not much going on there. We have the brush that comes with it. There's the brush.
Vacuum brush.
And a small attachment right here that comes with it. A series of attachments. Oh wow! So you can use this to actually blow stuff up if you wanted to. Yeah, wow.
That end is.
Pretty cool. We have this attachment right here. So you can see we've got the on-off switch right here. We've got a nice handle on top. That thing's pretty sturdy. 2 clips on the side. So we have the carry case for the parts in the back. Here's the, is it the ejector where you eject it?
Yeah, that would be if you connect it, it'll blow out the back that way.
Okay, we got the 2 very nice casters on there. And this is just a sharp looking machine with the stainless steel on there. It's got that trusted DEWALT name. Let's lift that off and see. Oh, look at that big old filter.
Brand new filter and the bag for dust collection.
Nice.
Which you take out if you're doing water.
Get the filter and the bag for dust collection. So we got a drain on the front if you want to drain the water out of it.
Yep.
So that's pretty cool. And that is a nice machine. And it arrived safely, just like we hoped it would. This is just another clip to clip the top on.
You can clip parts under there.
Oh. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
All right. Anyway, check it out. The DEWALT 10-gallon, 5 horsepower stainless steel vacuum and attachments. Pretty cool. Check it out.